In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to WooCommerce product page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a product video so customers can watch it right on your product page, which can boost engagement and help shoppers make confident decisions. First, open your WordPress website and head to the dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Plugins, then choose Add New. In the search field, type WPC Product Video. This is a lightweight plugin designed specifically to attach a video to a WooCommerce product without complicated setup. When you see it in the results, click it, then click Install and Activate. Give it a moment to finish. Once activated, the option to add a product video becomes available in your product workflow. Next, go to Products from the left menu. Find the product you want to enhance with a video. You can click the product directly from the list or click View to open it and then access the edit screen from there. Inside the product, look for the familiar Add Media button. Click Add Media, then select Product Image if you're associating the video with the main product image. Click the image you want to work with. In the Media window, focus on the left side. You'll see a panel labeled WPC Product Videos. This is where the plugin ties your media to a video. Now paste the URLs of your product video into that field. A direct link from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo typically works best. Be sure to paste the full public URL so the video can load for your visitors. If you copied a shortened share link, make sure it opens correctly in a browser first. If it does, it should work here as well. After you paste the link, the plugin handles the embedding for you, so there's no need to upload large video files to your site or adjust complex settings. That's it. Your product now features a video. When customers view the product page, they'll be able to watch the video right alongside your images, giving them a clearer sense of the item's features and benefits. If you don't see the video immediately, refresh the page and confirm the plugin is activated. Also ensure the video URL is public and not restricted by privacy settings. You've just learnt the simplest way to add a video to a WooCommerce product page using the WPC Product Video plugin. It's quick, it's clean, and it keeps your store fast by streaming from a reliable video host. Thanks for watching and enjoy showcasing your products with video.